Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely well. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to install the NSE F&O stocks list into the TradingView watch list using the fastest and the easiest method in 2026. So if you are interested in purchasing TradingView subscription, you can just check out the link of this Black Friday sale in the description. In this deal, you are going to get the TradingView subscriptions at up to 80% off plus 1 month additional. Only 3 days are left. So hurry if you are interested or if you are looking for the discounts. Now is the time for you to purchase it. Now, in order to basically install the NSE and FNO stocks list, you need to first come here on tradingview.com, then log in into your TradingView account if you haven't already. Over here, simply click on the option of products and it is going to open the charts in front of you. So currently it is the chart of gold. So in order to change it, simply click on this screener option here in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Over here in the markets, if any other markets is selected, you just have to change it to India. Once you do this, you are going to see all of the list of the stocks which basically you can add in your watch list. So here what you need to do is you just have to either select any of the particular stocks which you want to add to the watch list, or in order to select them all, you can simply press Ctrl plus A on your keyboard. Now once all of the stocks list are selected, simply just right click on this list, then select the option of add the selected ones to the watch list. Then you can either add these stocks into the watch list that you have already available in your account, or you can also create a new list. Now guys, multiple watch lists option comes under the premium subscription of TradingView. So currently a huge discount is going on up to 80% off. So if you are interested, make sure you check out the link in the description. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you give this video a like, subscribe to the channel and comments below if you have any questions in mind. Thanks for watching.